Okay guys, so today I'm just going to be taking you a little bit behind the scenes to share kind of a day in a life of me working, but then also sharing some of the admin activities that I'm doing in my business as well. And then I'm just going to do kind of a Q&A of just some topics that I think would be good for you. So one of the things that I have is I have my handy dandy computer here that you could see. And what I'm working on right now is I'm just working on writing out some tasks for my virtual assistant. So that's what you see right here. I got my coffee in hand, and listen, I'm gonna put you down right here. Hold on. I'm in a hotel, so bear with me. Okay, put you down right there. Leave my makeup bag. Okay, so let's just chit chat for a minute, shall we? So one of the things that I think is really important as you're building your business, and something I honestly think that nobody talks about a lot or enough, is your mindset. Your mindset is going to be something that's either going to take you far, or it's going to be something that is going to hold you up in your process. So as you are growing, as you are expanding, as you're doing all the things, do not forget about your mental health and your overall health and wellness. I will tell you that most people, they are in a place where they put so much time and energy and effort in doing things and working, and I get it, we got responsibilities, but none of that matters if you're not taking care of yourself. So I know for me, I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt, but right now I'm in a place where that is like number one for me. Number one. So whether that is you working out, eating healthy, prioritizing when you know you just need a break, like whatever that means, prioritize that, because I promise you, no one is going to put you at the top of your list except for you, right? And it's something that I always share with my clients, with anyone that I'm coaching, is that you can only do as good as your mind you're feeding your mind to let you do. If you tell yourself you can't do it, you're not going to do it. If you tell yourself you don't have discipline, you're not going to have discipline, right? So it really is about your confidence, your level of faith, your level of resilience. Like all of that stuff is super, super important. So one of the things that I want to start implementing more here on my YouTube channel is just talking about that, and talking about it from a real perspective. Like, because it's not easy. It's not easy. Even if you're working a full-time job and you're still doing your cleaning company, it's not easy. So I just want to take a moment. I want to recognize it. And if you're struggling with things, if you just need some accountability, if you just need some encouragement, I just want you to know that I am here for you. So comment below, let me know if there's anything I can assist you with. Of course, you can schedule a one-on-one session, but I just want to be that person that's here to support you, because I've had people that's been there to support me, and I know that sometimes it's not easy to find. So I'm going to leave it there, but let's take care of our mental health. Let's take care of our overall wellness. Let's unplug when we need to. Let's regroup when we need to. Let's do all of that, okay? I'll talk to you in my next video.